we got another one stuck in the snow. Sounds like this one is a mail truck that was making deliveries and just might have got a little bit too close to a mailbox or something. We'll get out there and give them a pull back onto the road, and they should be on their way. All right, see ya. All right, you're all set.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, have a good day. All right, that's another job well done. Another guy back on the road. So we're on to the next one. All right, right now we got a call for a mail truck stuck in the ditch. So I'm heading out right now. And it shouldn't be too difficult because they are really small vehicles. But depending on how bad it's stuck, we may need a couple winches. So I'm not too sure right now, but we'll get out there and I'll let you know when we do. See ya. This driveway was completely iced over, so I thought it would be best to throw the chains on first. Don't want to get going downhill and start sliding because by then it's already too late.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
It's just a really slick road, so he's worried that he only has rear wheel drive. And as you saw earlier in the video, it's just a sheet of ice. So I have 4-wheel drive, and he's gonna push the brakes when I push the brakes. And we're just gonna slowly track it down on the ice here. It's the last little icy spot here. Go real slow. Alright, we got him out of there. It actually wasn't a winch out. Actually, that road was just so icy, and they only have rear wheel drive on those trucks, and he said as he was starting to go down, he just had no brakes. So he just got it into a little bit of snowbank there and just stopped. And luckily with the wrecker, it has 4-wheel drive, and so it does really good with the chains. I didn't need the front chains, just threw them on the back, and then hooked onto them and just went real slow all the way down the hill. You don't want to risk getting too much speed and then starting to slide on that ice. Once I got him to the bottom, unhooked it, and he's all good to go to make the rest of his deliveries. So thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.